In this video, we will show you how to clear blockages on your Goblin vacuum. Ensure the vacuum is not plugged in and is switched off. Firstly, check the bin and empty it if necessary. If there is still a reduced amount of suction, check the filters in the unit. Wash the filters if necessary. If the crevice or brush tool was in use, detach it from the hose and check for blockages. The final thing you can try is detaching the hose from the main body. To do this, rotate the end in an anti-clockwise direction. Lay the hose flat and look down it to see if there are any blockages. If there are, use a handle of a broom or something similar to clear any obstructions. To reattach the hose, rotate the end clockwise. If you require more assistance, please call 0333 600 7700.